Good day everyone, my name is Emmanuel Abanobi. I'm a student of the Department of Theatre and Film Studies, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I'm a 400 level student and my major is makeup artistry and costume design. Basically, before I got into school, I've actually had passion for costume, fashion, anything beauty. So I also decided to study in this prestigious university as a makeup artist, but we came and we met acting and all other fields in theatre arts. But my passion still kept on burning, and I decided to take up projects on makeup artistry for our convocation productions and departmental productions, and which over the years I have won an award for the best makeup artist 3 good times, and I believe I'm still going to win it this final year. And also outside the 4 walls of the class, I have actually participated in other competitions around Africa, not just Nigeria, of which one is I Create Africa Skill Competition, where I also contested for the makeup category. We had competitors all around Africa, from Tanzania down to South Africa to Somalia and the rest of them, and we were 1,006 of us, and I actually emerged winner of that category in the makeup artistry. Yes, I was given a cash prize of 500,000 and 500,000 endorsements. Well, why I'm saying all this is because of the burning passion for makeup artistry, because it is not just a passion, it is a skill that I would also want to teach other youths out there so that we can eradicate poverty, because it's not all about all you've studied in the 4 walls of the classroom, it is what your hands can do. So this skill actually, aside being a passion, has been one of the greatest assets I've had as a human, and I would want to keep exploring. I would want to attract governmental bodies to actually fund this skill, because it is going to help not just individuals but the economic growth of Nigeria. So thank you very much.